Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect JBL Wave Flex to Android phone. If you want to connect your earbuds with Android phone, then you will need to follow some steps. First, turn on the earbuds and enable pairing mode. For that, remove the earbuds from the charging case. If they don't automatically enter pairing mode, press and hold the multifunction button on both earbuds until you see the LED flash, typically blue or white, indicating pairing mode is active. Second, open Bluetooth settings on your Android device. Unlock your Android device, then go to settings, then go to Bluetooth. Ensure Bluetooth is toggle on. Third, search for available devices. In Bluetooth menu, tap scan or pair new device to search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Fourth, select JBL Flex. Once the earbuds appear in the list of available devices, like JBL Wave Flex, tap on their name to initiate pairing, and in the last, confirm pairing. You might see a pairing request. Tap pair or allow to confirm. Once paired, the LED on the earbuds will stop blinking and a confirmation message will appear on your Android phone. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.